Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the constantly getting kicked and rolling back data in Path of Exile 2. This is unfortunately very common after the latest update, and it is very annoying to say the least. So why is this happening? It has come out that this is due to DDoS attacks for the most part, and they have very little control over this happening. And there's very little we can do from our side as players. So what can we do? Basically, you want to log into a different server. You can use your same character on a different server, of course. Apparently, the most safe server to use is Washington, D.C., and not the EU servers. The EU servers are getting hit the hardest. Asian servers are pretty much okay, and the Washington, D.C. server is the least hit. If you play in the Washington, D.C. server, you probably will be okay. Unfortunately, if you live in the EU, your ping is going to be pretty high, and that is why I use a program called Exit Lag. You can see right here my ping is 4 in Japan, but I play with someone from Finland, and we play on the Washington, D.C. server, and I have about 110, which is great. And if I don't use Exit Lag, it would be about 180. I'll put a link in the video description below. It's like $2 a month, but it is amazing. You can try it for free for 4 days. So give it a try. Maybe it'll help you. Okay, and that is it. Hopefully they'll patch this in the next couple of days or weeks. So yeah, good luck to everyone out there.